obvious that I'm dreaming. Just like everyone's seeing all of the uncertainty. Is it clear that we should lay here? Yeah.